What's up, YouTube? Today we will be installing the Deezee 7440 reverse LED bulb. So this bulb right here can pretty much fit any RAM 1500, 2500 from 2013 and above, as long as you guys have the factory LED headlights installed on your truck. I picked this bulb up from Amazon. Roughly, it was under 20 bucks. But as you can see, there's LEDs all around. And while we still have daylight outside, let's go outside and plug and play, put these things on, give you guys a comparison of the factory halogen bulbs compared to the LED. All right, so all you're gonna need is some basic tools. So when removing the rear tail light, you have to pull it straight out. So you're gonna screw these two screws, one here and one there. And don't pull out with the tail light. All you're gonna do is pull straight back. So once you take your tail light off, remember the reverse light is gonna be at the bottom. So what you're gonna do is twist and pull the bulb right out. So, pull the old bulb right out. These your new bulbs. And just pop them right in. Then all you'll do is just reverse install. And before we button everything back up, pop check, give you guys a comparison video. So this is the stock halogen light. It looks a little brown almost. You know, that definitely that factory look. But coming over here to the LED, you can definitely see a noticeable white light. So definitely looks better compared to the factory. Definitely brighter. So now all I'm going to do is change this, put a new bulb in. When reinstalling the tail lights, you have these notches right here. You want to make sure you align those up properly to those grooves, and literally the rear tail light will just pop right back in. So be mindful of that when taking and reinstalling the tail light. If you guys have the Deezee tailgate assist and you're trying to remove it, get to those nuts, all you're gonna have to do is take a screwdriver and just pry this metal piece back right here and just pull it straight off the nub. So the lights are completely installed, and as you can see from the video, it's a pretty simple installation. So I'm going to take you guys outside and we're going to see exactly how bright these lights are. Let's go. All right, so this concludes today's video. The lights are definitely a vehicle enhancement For the ones with the backup camera, the illumination will provide a greater field of view, in my opinion. I'm not getting paid or any type of funding from this particular product. It was actually recommended to me by a friend of mine, along with some other LEDs that I will be putting on my RAM. So I definitely wanted to share with you guys. So don't forget, subscribe, like, share, and hey, let's build a better RAM.